Hello everyone, welcome to our Decor channel. In this video, we will watch wall lamp designs ideas. When it's come to designing a wall lamp, there are several factors to consider, including functionality, aesthetic, and material. Here are some steps you can follow to create a unique and appealing wall lamp design. Define the purpose. Diam- Determine the purpose of the wall lamp. It is primary to ambient lighting, task lighting, and ambient lighting. Understanding the intent use wall help guide your design decision. Consider and style the light on the overall style or theme you want to achieve. It could be modern, minimalistic, industrial, vintage, or any other style that suits your taste or the space where the lamp will be installed. Ensure that the lamp design complement the existing decor. Sketch and designs. Start by sketching different design concepts for your wall lamp. Consider the shape, size, and proportions of the lamp. Think about whether you want a single light source or multiple bulbs. Experiment with different angles and positions to achieve the desired lighting effect. Material selection. Choose the material for your lamp. Common material for wall lamp including metal, wood, glass, fabric, and plastic. Consider how the materials will contribute to the overall aesthetic and functionality of the lamp. Lighting element. Decide on the type of lighting elements you want to use, such as LED, incandescent, and fluor- fluorescent. Consider the decor temperature and brightness levels that will create the desired imbalance or fulfill the lighting requirement. Functionality features. Diameter. If you want any additional function feature such as an adjustable arm or rotating head or produce flexibility and directing the light. Consider the incorporate switches or dimmers are easy of use. Energy efficiency. Design your lamp with energy efficiency in mind. Opt for energy saving light source and incorporate features that minimize energy consumption, such as timers or motion sensors. Safety consideration. Ensure that your lamp design meets safety standards. Pay attention to proper insulation, wiring, and installation instructions. In necessary, consult an electrician or professional to ensure compliance with electric regulations. If you like my ideas, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.